Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your qualifications and site permissions because safety and legality matter. Next, walk the crane. Check tires, brakes, hydraulics, wire rope, and the load chart. Each item prevents failures. Deploy outriggers on firm ground and install pads. This ensures stability. Once done, secure the cab, set mirrors, and chalk wheels. Make sure to brief your crew on signals and exclusion zones, since clear communication prevents near misses and delays. You now position the crane for the lift. Align boom and counterweight so the lift fits inside the chart limits. Connect rigging. Use slings and shackles rated above the load and inspect them for damage. Weak gear causes drops. Attach taglines to control rotation and swing and plan the lift path to avoid obstacles. Then set slow approach speeds on controls. This reduces shock loads. Make sure to communicate a step-by-step sequence. With your signal person, you perform a trial lift first. Raise the load a few inches and check stability and rigging alignment. This verifies real weight and balance. Once stable, make slow, deliberate motions, hoist, swing, and travel, with constant readouts of boom angle and radius. Coordinate with your signaler for smooth handoffs. If alarms, unexpected sway, or ground settlement occur, lower the load immediately and stop. Then reassess rigging, ground bearing, and crane limits. Stopping quickly prevents escalation and allows a safe corrective plan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.